Translation Contest from Grade 3, Amara Gonzalez.
Dali na, Mara. Magpakilala.
Palakpakan naman natin siya.
Hi, my name is Princess Amara F. Gonzalez. I am 8 years old. I am grade 3, section 1, Acacia, under Miss Marites G. Cabalagan. Everybody calls me young, beautiful, wonderful. Am I? Look at my hair, my lips, my red rosy cheeks, and a pair of blinkering eyes. I remember somebody says that I look like my mother. That I look like my mother when she was young. Now I'm much lovelier than she is. I'm a mortal Venus. Oops! What time is it? I must get ready for the party. Beep beep! Aha! Here they are! Yes, I'm coming! Child, are you still there? That's my mama. Child, are you still there? Will you please get me a glass of cold water? Mama, I'm in a hurry. Please, child, try to get me a glass of cold water. Mama, please try to get it on your own. At the party, I dance and dance the whole night. You see, I can't leave the party at once. I have to dance with everybody who proposed to me. At last, the party is over. I'm very tired. Very, very tired. So, I went home to tell Mama what happened. Mama, I'm home. It's very quiet. Mama, I'm home. Nobody answers. I look for her in the sala. But she's not there. Where is she? Aha! In the kitchen. I saw my mama lying down the floor. Then
magaling si Amara? Yes. Kung kaya ni Amara, kaya niyo rin. Everybody say, kaya ko rin.